Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to sell digital products on System.io. Okay, you can sell digital products on System.io and get them automatically be sent to your buyers after they purchase the product. So now I'm going to show you the whole setup from the very beginning to the very end of the process. So before signing up for an account, I'm going to show you the system pricing of the System.io. So go ahead and click on the pricing at the top. So here you can choose your plan. So here you have a free plan. If you want this one, you can have 2,000 contacts. You've got unlimited emails for this one, three for sales funnel stabs is up to 15, and blogs is one, and the blog post is unlimited. So you just have to read all of the information that you can get depending on the plan that you want. So when you go to start up, you can see here that it has more opportunities than the free one and the webinar as well, and of course the unlimited plan. So if you decide to just start, you can choose the free plan. So you just have to click on start for free and you'll be asked to sign up for an account. Okay, so after typing out your details, an email will be sent to your email and just have to go ahead and click on it. So I already did this one, so I'm going to go to my email and then click on the System IO email to confirm my email. Now I'm just going to click on this one right here and I'll be redirected to this page where I can create my password or enter my password and then click on save. And after that, I could have my System.io account. Now you can see your dashboard. And the next thing that we can do is to go ahead and click on funnels at the top. And right here, you can just click on the create button. After that, you're just going to name this one depending on the products that you're selling. You can see here as well your final domain. So this is a default one. After that, just click on the sell option and the currency. So I'll be choosing a Philippine peso. After doing so, just click on save. After that, you will then just have to click on your funnel and click on the ads tab. Here, you just have to rename this funnel as a sales page and the type of this funnel. So, sales page as well. I'm just going to use that one and then click on save. Now, I'm just going to drag the sales page at the top. So, as you can see, you have the order form as well as the thank you page form. Before we customize our sales page, it's important to know to allow our customers to be able to pay us. So we need to connect our payment methods. So you just have to go to the right top right hand corner of your screen and then click on settings. Since once you're in settings, you want to go to payment gateways. Okay. So right here, you can choose what payment methods do you want to use. So for me, maybe I'm going to use Stripe or PayPal, or you can also choose the COD or the cash on delivery option. Just type out your payment information right here and then save these changes. So after finalizing everything right here, we can now go back and then customize and edit our sales page. Okay, so you just have to go back to the funnels and then click on our funnel. And right here on the sales page, we just have to select the template that we want to use. So it will depend on the products that you're selling. So for me, I'm just going to use this one as an example. So when you choose or when you find a perfect template for your product, just click on the select option. So finally, we can now edit this template. So just click on the edit page option, this one right here, and you'll be redirected to this section where you can customize your sales page. Okay, so you can change the color of the background, the font, as well as the direct link to your products. So for me, as you can see here at the left right hand corner, I can adjust the margins of the tab, bottom, left, right. So it will be up to you if how you're going to do that, as well as the background color. So let's try a different color here that will complement to what we are trying to sell. Okay, so let's try this one. So maybe I'll choose a maroon or dark red. Okay, and then after finalizing everything right here, you just go ahead and explore things right here. If what kind of fonts you can use, the display image that you can place right here. So there are a lot of options where you can customize your sales page. Okay, so you can see here at the right? So right here, I'm just going to change this words at the top. So maybe I'll type out get yours now. So below this section, I will edit this one as well. Okay, so maybe I'll type out lowest price with best quality. So something like that that will attract the attention of your buyers. Okay, so after that, you can see here that you can also edit the font style of this as well as the colors. So maybe I will then just going to show you, but I will still use the black one. And of course, the font as well as the letter spacing. You just have to explore. You can see that options at the left side of your screen. So right here you can see a voucher code, so I will leave that as it is. And here at the bottom you can see these pictures. So here you can put an image of your products. So I am going to upload an image right here. So let's go to my folder and then try to upload an image. Okay, so let's open this folder and then click on open. Then you will then just have to wait for a few seconds until you can see your image. And then just click on the insert button. So now that you can see the image of your products, below that you just have to change the name of it. So maybe I'll be naming this one to Modern DIY Lamp. Okay, and then I can see the shop button. So just have to click on the section right here and then change the action when button click. So just click on the next step URL. So when your buyer click on the shop button, they will be redirected to a form where they have to fill out for their payments information and as well as the delivery information. Okay, so let's continue editing the images right here. So let's just do the same. Let's click on the image and then go to our folder and then upload a new image. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Then after that, the image will appear in here and then click on insert. After that, the image will be placed right here. So just have to click on the name of this product as well as the shop button. So before changing the name of the product, let's go to the shop button and then click on the action when button is clicked. So make sure to use the next step, and after that you just have to click on the name of the product if you want to change it. So for me, maybe I'll name this one as Rusty Light. Okay, so this one is a little bit of a vintage, so I'll leave the other one as it is. So right here you can type out your name or your email for your customers to know where to contact if they want to, ask for help if they have concern about the products. Okay, so you just have to do that. So just have to click on and then type out here the URL or the information that you need when they have to click on the subscribe button. Okay, so let's save this for now. Just click on the save changes and then let's go to our fill out form or order form. So let's exit this one. And here you just have to click on the order form and then choose your template. So I'll be using this one right here. And at the bottom, make sure to click on the digital product and click on the price plans. And let's create a new one. So just have to fill out the name of the product right here. as well as the price plan type. So maybe one-time payment will do, as well as the payment amount. Just after that, just click on the save button. And right here at the top, we're going to go ahead and edit the page. So we just click on it. So right here, you can customize this template. Okay, so first of all, I am going to change the picture at the top. Okay, so this one right here, I am going to upload a new image related to my product. Okay, so at the top, you can see here different options. So when your buyer click on one of this section right here, they will be redirected to the link that you're going to put in this section right here. So if you want to do that, you just go ahead and do it one by one. And when they click on it, they'll be redirected to the site where they have to read all of the information that the link has. Okay, so now let's upload a new photo. You just have to click on it and then click on the upload button at the left side of your screen and then click on select file. Then you'll be redirected to your folder and select the image that you want to add. And now you can see your image. And here is a section where your customers has to fill out their name, their last name, their email address, as well as their phone number, their street address, their city, their ZIP code, as well as their country. So they can choose the individual company. So maybe we don't need this section right here. So we're just going to delete that later. You can see here at the bottom as well, the payment information. So let's delete this section for now. Okay, so as you can see, you can choose a credit or debit card as well as the PayPal. And then after that, you can change the name of this validate to buy now. Mm-hmm. And after that, you can now save your changes. And then let's go back to our funnels. So let's exit this one. Now you can also create a thank you page. So I'm going to create one right here, for example, this one, and then click on the edit page. So right here, you can upload a photo, and then let's change this words to thank you for shopping or thanks for shopping. And then I can change the font, the color of this one as well. So at the bottom, you can also change the information. So it's up to you to explore or customize this thank you page template. And after that, finalizing everything, you can now click on Save Changes and exit this section. After that, you can now go ahead and click on the order form and then click on the automation rules. And then click on add a rule. Now, when someone buys, so you want to click new sale. So when they make a new sale, you want to then go ahead and add action and you want to add a tag. So then go ahead and create a new tag. So I'm going to call this tag as buyer maybe. So let's just type out right here buyer and then click on enter. After that, just save the rules. So now everyone that buys and makes a new sale added as a buyer tag. Now you want to click add action and you want them to subscribe to a campaign. The campaign that you want them to subscribe to you need to go ahead and create a new email campaign. So we're going to leave this here. We're going to leave this automation rule as it is, and we're going to go ahead and create a new email campaign and which we can then send our buyers so we can deliver the product. So now you want to go to the emails campaigns. Now just click on the emails at the top and then click on campaigns. So here you just have to click on the create option and you want to name this one as buyer. Here you can have your description and then click on save. After that, just click on this buyer section and then click on create. Here you just have to put a subject for this one and your sender name as well as your email. After that, just click on save. So maybe I'm going to type out here, thank you, here is your product. And then click on save. So right here, let's type out thank you, here is the link to your product, and then just highlight this one and click on the link button and then type out here the URL. So when they click on this section, they'll be redirected to the link that you have provided. Okay, so after that, you just have to save and publish this section. So just click on the save and publish at the top. So you want this email to go out. So let's say a minute after they buy the product. So click activate now, exit now. And then if you followed along here, you should have one thank you email in the buyer campaign, which goes out a minute after someone's added to this campaign. Now let's go back to the funnels. Go back to your funnels, go to the order form, and go back to the automation rules and click on new sale. So remember, when someone makes a sale, they are then added to the buyer tag and they are also subscribed to the email campaign. Now let's click on view funnel, and here's how your funnel will look like to the buyer. So when they click on the shop button, they'll be redirected to the order form where they have to fill out their names so they could buy the product. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.